Best Gmail alternatives. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm gonna give you some alternatives from Gmail and we're gonna be determining which one is best. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So sometimes I understand Gmail can be a bit too much, or you're just looking to switch between different emails, right? It's been a long time and you're having an issue or your account has been blocked. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So here I have a couple of options, right? So these are some of the email providers that I have used in the past and I found them to be very helpful. So what we're looking at is ensuring security, ease of use, and whether or not there is a price tag on it. So let's get into it. So first up, one of the most popular mails that we have today is Proton Mails. Now, Proton Mail is one of the most, I would say, secure, because Proton's whole gimmick or Proton's whole motto is security. They have tons of security they have tons of security tools like Proton Mail. They have Proton VPN, Proton Password Protector. So their whole shtick is, encryption, and they have end-to-end encryption, which makes it impossible to hack into or read mails that aren't between you and the provider. So not even Proton can go ahead and read the mails. It's like WhatsApp, right? End-to-end encryption. Only you and the sender or receiver can receive. Only you or the sender or receiver can read the messages, not the whole company or anyone else. So it's pretty cool, and it works really simple, and it's free as well. You can create a free account, and if you want, you can get a business account as well, but that one is separate. We're just looking at the free stuff. So for Proton, all you got to do is just simply click on create a free account. I believe I already have one, but let me go ahead and sign up and check it anyway. So here we'll go with the free one, and of course we'll go with the free one. Pretty simple. And then here, creating the Proton account, we'll have our username and the password. So let's go ahead and do that. And here we go. So I already had an account, that's why I logged in, and you can create a new account for free. But yeah, you can see it's very similar. It's pretty simple and easy to use, and it has both mobile application and web application, so you can go ahead and check it out as well, and it's free as well. But if you want to upgrade, you can. It totally depends on you. I recommend Proton as one of the best ones out there, since it has end-to-end encryption as well. So definitely do check it out. It's pretty simple, it's easy to work with, and not only that, you can create folders and labels, like custom labels for different types of emails that you receive. So that's also pretty cool. Next, we have Zoho Mail. Now Zoho Mail is actually pretty incredible. Again, you can create the free version, and of course you can create the paid version, which is the business email. So it totally depends on you. If it's personal, click over here and you can sign up. I do believe that I have an account over here. Let me try to go ahead and see. I'm gonna go ahead and sign in and check it out. And they also have this mail called Zepto Mail. This is like Zoho Mail as well. Again, it's also pretty cool. You can see it also has a pretty decent encryption as well. Reliable and fast transactional email. So you can see it's easy to set up, inbox placement, and pretty cool. Zepto Mail is a secure email service that is optimized to deliver your all important transactional emails and reliability. So if you want to go ahead and check it out, you can go ahead and check it out. Now, I do have an account for Zoho Mail, but I think I had removed it. I had the main paid version of it as well, but you can go with the simple free version as well. Moving on, we have Yahoo Mail. Again, very popular. So if you wanted to use Yahoo Mail, you can use it as well. Let me go ahead and actually sign in and move on. All right, so after logging in, this is how it looks. Now, one of the things about Yahoo Mail, I mean, it is pretty popular, that's why a lot of people use it, is it's actually pretty simple to get started with. A lot of people use it, and it's also pretty simple and easy to use, and it's very simple to, set up everything. Now, I will say that the hardest one to set up for your needs is going to be Zoho Mail. Whether you use the business one or the traditional one, the free version, it's going to be a little bit difficult to set up, but once you set up, it should be good to go. That's why I wouldn't recommend it, since when you're shifting towards new email providers, you want easeability, you want accessibility, you also want security. So for those reasons, I would put it at a lower number if there's a list, but at the first number, at the highest, I would pay Proton Mail, simply because it's easy to set up, it's simple, you can easily go ahead, and once you've actually logged in and set up, it'll ask you to go ahead and connect with your other email address. If you want to go ahead and bring all of your mails from that email address to here, then it's gonna go ahead and sync those with it as well. So if you were wondering, same thing with a Yahoo Mail as well. And last but not least, we have Outlook Mail. Now, Outlook is a little bit weird. Not a lot of people use it simply because of the UI and element, although they're all very similar. But again, if you are tired of these mainstream email providers like Google, like Microsoft or Yahoo, then I would say go with Proton or Zoho. There is another one, however. Another one is called StartMail. It's a secure mail that puts your privacy first. It is probably one of the most secure mails out there. It is incredible. There's no ads, no tracking. It's amazing, but the only downside is that it's not free. The other ones are, this one isn't. So again, you gotta take it. If you really want privacy is your number one go-to, this is the one. There's also one more thing. Another great secure mail is mailbox.org. This is also one of the most secure mailboxes out there. Now, I do want to point out at the end that no email provider is going to be secure. It's not 100%. They can put certain steps into it. They can implement certain policies that make it difficult. But if you are using Google or Microsoft, no matter what, another thing is that even if you use some sort of privacy or some sort of encryption like PGP, companies like Google, Microsoft, they will be able to scan your mail. So they are inherently flawed no matter what. But there are a few of them that are pretty decent, like, Mailbox and Proton and even StartMail. They do have encryption on it, but you can see right here it says PGP password. So these are pretty secure, but even if you use these types of encryptions, they will still be able to scan your emails. That's just their innate ability or innate flaw, if you will. That's just it. That's a flaw that can't be removed from emails. So, unless there's like a super encryption or some sort of other encryptions, like, the ones that WhatsApp use or Signal use, then it is going to be pretty difficult, not impossible, because, from what we've learned, WhatsApp can be hacked, Signal can be hacked, chats can be leaked. So there's that. But yeah, these were some of the most secure ones, or, the top best alternatives that I found online, alternative to Gmail. So if you watched the video so far, then you know now how this website works perfectly and how you can use it to make money online and how you can use it to start your own business online as well. Just make sure to do everything I did in the video in a step-by-step manner and you'll be good to go. So having said that, that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or come across any problem whatsoever, then let me know in the comment sections down below and I'll be sure to help you out in any way I can as soon as possible. So having said that, thank you guys for watching and I hope to see you guys in the next video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.